just laying all that brick, like we said, behind that new band of stones. And once we get that in, I think that's going to be it for a while, just because the temperature is going to start freezing at night, and we can't work with that when it's freezing. In the meantime, while Frank's working up there, my job is to keep him supplied in hot lime mortar, and so I've got a batch cooking right there. But if you'll remember this great big pile of brick, I have these few right here to clean, and I guess these showed up somewhere, but all these others that you see around, those are all rejects for whatever reason. They're a little wonky or something, but we're using a lot of brick, because there was a lot of brick in this area. You know, one brick at a time, one cleaning, one chip, one hammer at a time, eventually gets the job done. Baby, you're in the spotlight. What do you think of that?
I think I don't like brickwork.
Well, not only is he in one of the darkest parts of the attic, it's raining, so we lost light even earlier, but...
And trying to work in this space, trying to work around all this stuff. The brick goes all the way to here once I get this is the carved triangle.
Right.
I mean, once the carved triangle goes in there.
Right.
But I don't know.
We're getting closer. Look, he's got all that all done. I don't know if you can see it very good, but there it goes. So
just a lot of bricks.
A lot of bricks. Good thing you have someone who's cleaning them.
Yep.
So
certainly not crazy enough to pay you 50 cents a brick. Or whatever it was. Half a penny?
Half a penny for a brick. Yeah. So I don't know. I would have made quite a bit just at a half a penny by now. So anyway.
No, I gotta break all these.
Yeah. Luckily, some of these are
easily broken
and already have kind of a yucky end, but that's all right. So,
I quit paying attention to how they look on the ends.
but you know what? It doesn't matter, because they were originally in the wall. All of these were originally in the wall. So and all of them, all over the place, you can see the flaws. So
all of our stealth counts are going off.
Yep. 446. Yep. Very good.
Baby.
Hey. Kind of
doing?
I'm filming what you're doing. Just seeing what you're doing. Filling in holes.
That's all I'm doing.
It won't take long to use up that mortar.
No. Sometimes it's better to use it up than others.
Yeah.
My tarp's getting smaller and smaller.
Yeah, it is. It will start it off on the roof, so
yeah.
Very good.
It'll never go on the roof again because it's too small now.
It's too small now. All right. Very good.
I really wanted to finish it today.
I know. So
one more course and then that's all it would have taken.
Yeah.
But
it just is getting too dark to see. Well, it's about 4 o'clock in the morning, and Frank and I are on our way to Ohio to pick up about 1,000 antique slate to help with Miss Mooreland. And we have the dump trailer, and it's about a 5-hour trip one way. We got up early to avoid rush hour, and we have some things to get back to today. So, yeah, we're on our way. Okay, we are here getting the slate. Okay, we're getting about 1,000 of them. They're filling them up. These are antique beauties. They weigh how much a piece, Frank?
4 pounds a piece.
4 pounds a piece.
Typically.
Typically. So, all right, gotta get busy. See a slate, antique slate at that. Well, we got them all gone.
You're gonna tell them about that.
And there it is.
Dustin! Yeah. Here, don't close my door.
And off to home we go. Well, we're back at it today. It's a little blustery, a little chilly.
Yep.
But Frank and I are going to work on trying to get this beauty up.
We're gonna wash it off first.
Yeah, he's got the straps all ready to go on it. Well, they're underneath of it, I should say.
It's heavy.
How much do you think that one weighs, babe?
I don't know.
We got a batch of hotline mortar going. Yeah, it's cooking. It's not mixed, it's just cooking. So
let's see if we can wash it off just a little bit.
just a little bit.
Alright, close enough. Now I gotta make a cradle for it.
How are you doing that?
My idea is this on top. Screw these in on each side to make sure it doesn't go back and forth.
Right.
Bring the straps up, and I should be able to control this way. I put my leveler up here, and then I'll be able to control it this way.
Very good.
Like this.
Just like that. We'll see. Hey, Frank. It's got the scale, and we're gonna.
I'm curious. I don't even.
Yeah, we're curious to know how much this
What
one.
do you think?
I'm gonna say about 400 pounds.
No, I'd say 320.
Okay. Do you need me to take the basket up?
Yeah.
Yet. 254 and
that's more like 500 pounds.
We are both off. 251.4 kilograms. She's a very big, beautiful, heavy stone. Are those straps gonna hold?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, there it is. 251.2.
And the this weighs some and this weighs some, but a little over 500 pounds.
A little over 500 pounds. Okay. All right, Frank's priming this 500-pound beauty before we move it and get it in place. Well, there it is, in place. Frank's checking for level.
I'm just making sure it's in the right spot.
Yeah, I don't blame you. It's a long way up here.
Oh, you ran all the way up the stairs?
Yeah.
Hey, baby.
Hey. Kitten was helping me put it in place.
Oh, that's a lot of help.
Yeah, she jumped into the
I turned the
telehandler.
light on for you, though.
I do appreciate that. Wow. That's amazing. That is amazing. To have that big, beautiful stone back in place. Fixing where the tarp's gonna go?
No, I'm making it so I can make this plump.
Oh, gotcha. Gotcha.
All right, we got it on. The beautiful carving. Now I need to point it up. Get some the rest of the mortar in there. And put another thing here so it doesn't have any room to go back and forth. But next I have to put all this brick back in here. All this has to be bricked up. And then we can put those big stones, the big ones that go right here.
If for the Christ we have striven, after our labors are o'er, rest to our souls will be given on the eternal shore. Home of the soul, beautiful home, there we shall rest, never to roam, free from all care, happy and bright. Jesus is there, He is the light. Oft in the storm, lonely are we, sighing for home, longing for Thee. Beautiful home of the ransom beside the crystal sea, the crystal sea.
What are you two doing in Taylor's bed? Huh? What are you doing in Taylor's bed? Minnie, Mia. Oh, so sweet girls. Meanie, meanie. I love my sweet girls.